welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a handy new update on Discord. How to view your email right from the app on your PC. This feature makes it easier to manage your account without jumping through multiple hoops. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Discord app. If you're not logged in, make sure to do that before we proceed. Now, once you're in, look down to the lower left corner of your screen. There you'll find a section displaying your username. Right next to it, you should see a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you to your settings. On the next screen, you'll notice a menu on the left side under the User Settings section. If it's not already selected, click on the option that says My Account. This is where you can manage your account details and settings. Now, we're almost there. In the middle of the My Account screen, you'll see your email address. To view it, just click the Reveal button located to the right of your email. And voila! Your email is now visible for you to see. So, that's it. Just 4 simple steps to view your email on Discord. This quick update enhances your control over your account and makes it easier to keep everything organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching and happy Discording.